Hello traders, Andrew Curry here. If you haven't already done so, please have a look at my website where you can sign up to my free trading newsletter. Now I want to revisit the Euro USD, which I looked at last week and asked, is a reversal coming because we hit a major psychological level, which was the 1.0500 point. Now, at the point at which I recorded the video, you'll see I marked this candle here on the chart. We hadn't yet had the close of this candle to see what was going to happen. What we had, interestingly enough, we were at a point last week where we'd seen this bearish move, which now apparently was hitting reversal signs. And what we were hoping for, I'll just draw the arrow out here, was, of course, a double bottom. Because if we got a double bottom, that would be a strong indication, a retest of the possibility of reversal. And of course, counter trend trader, we play for the reversal. Take that off. Now, the reason I highlight this candle is because we got a rejection candle. Price moved all the way down and then was instantly, well, not instantly, but within the period of the candle, was rejected. A strong indication of a strong bullish pressure, but it did not give us a technical double bottom. The double bottom would, of course, require white space in between, so it would not have met my rules for a double bottom and therefore would not be an entry signal. Now, of course, in hindsight, we can see it did not give us a double bottom and there it did not hold. It can be so tempting to think, oh, there's a trading opportunity here. I've got to take it, even on the daily where, you know, things take a long time to pan out. Wait for good signals. Now, what actually happened was we had a push below that level and which eventually came to an end here. If you're a trend continuation trader, one of the things you may want to look for here is we have a confirmed bearish trend. And what we may see from here is a move. We may not get good counter trend signals that would enable us in our plan to actually take that move. But it may be the case that market pushes up into structure. If we can make the risk reward work, let's have a look. If we assume stop a little bit past there, to play for the retest of that point might give a decent risk reward. Of course, we'll have to see how the candles play out as to if we could take that. If we look on the 4 hour rather than the daily, okay, so our most recent outside return, same here, I would say is there. We do have the possibility of the market putting in a double top here along this structure point, and we could play for a retest down there if we put the stop, let's say for argument's sake there, and we're playing for the close of there. If the stop was a little above the peak of the double top, that could give us a 3.8, just roughly 3.8 to 1 risk reward and the possibility of over 100 pips. So even just doing that roughly and not exactly calculating, that could give us a possibility of a trend continuation move. So these types of moves on the charts can give good possible setups. We have not, as this chart stands, we have not actually got all of the pieces yet, but they're things to watch out for. Counter trend or trend continuation moves.